Safeguard your most cherished moments by learning how to seamlessly connect your Canon EOS R10 to your computer for effortless photo and video transfer. First, locate the USB-C port on your Canon EOS R10. It's typically on the side of the camera, often hidden under a small, rubber flap. Next, you'll need the appropriate USB cable. Your Canon EOS R10 usually comes with a USB-C to USB-A cable, but if your computer only has USB-C ports, you might need a USB-C to USB-C cable or an adapter. Carefully insert the USB-C end of the cable into the camera's port. Make sure it's fully seated but don't force it. Now, connect the other end of the cable to an available USB port on your computer. Once connected, your camera's screen might display an option like PC Connect or Connect to Computer. Select this option simultaneously. Your computer should recognize the camera as a removable drive, often appearing in My Computer or Finder. Double-click on the camera's drive to open it. Inside, you'll usually find a folder labeled DCIM. This is where your photos and videos are stored, organized by date or subfolders. To transfer, simply drag and drop the desired photo and video files from the camera's folder to a folder on your computer's desktop or an external hard drive. After transferring, remember to safely eject your camera from your computer. You can usually do this by right-clicking on the camera's drive icon and selecting Eject or Safely Remove Hardware. Once the computer indicates it's safe, you can disconnect the USB cable from both your camera and computer. Congratulations! You've successfully connected your Canon EOS R10 to your computer and transferred your precious memories. Now you can easily backup, edit, and share your incredible content. For more camera tips and tutorials, subscribe to our channel.